Let's see how Plain and Claude handle a task, an employment verification letter. I asked Claude to pull John Smith details, job title, employment status, start date, and draft the letter as PDF. Notice how I explicitly asked to use Plain. This works because Plain is connected to Claude as an MCP server, giving it a secure access to your live HR data. If you haven't set that up yet, follow the link shown on the screen. In seconds, the letter is ready, accurate and pulled straight from Plain. But before anything goes out, it should get signed off. So I asked Claude, who is John's manager? Claude finds the manager in Plain and drafts an approval request. But notice, it doesn't send anything on its own. It asks for my confirmation first. That human-in-the-loop step matters when you're handling employee data. I confirm, and the request goes out via Slack with the letter attached, so the manager can review and sign off right where they already work. The manager approves. Here's the confirmation in Slack, with the letter reviewed and signed off. Now I ask Claude to draft the final email to John with the verification letter attached. Everything's prepared, the message, the recipient, and the PDF. Ready to send. From request to approved letter in under 2 minutes.